Hi there, for this video, we're going to show you how to find your UID on the OKX mobile app. Because on the PC, it would simply be on the top right of your screen. Once you click your profile, you will immediately see it. However, here on the mobile app, where you actually have to go is to the top left on these square dots icon. Tap on that and it will immediately bring you to most of the options. Once here, simply tap on your profile here on the top, and here you can see your UID. Now take note, anything that has this icon, these two small squares, means it is easy copy. So if I simply tap on this, it shows that it is copied and I can quickly paste that to share my UID in case I want to link up with different accounts or with other users for ease of access for in-platform trading or whatever requires a UID. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.